Fast cuts of people scrolling through their phones, making online purchases, and checking bank apps. All right, let's talk about PayPal, one of the most powerful ways to manage your money online. But what if you need a UK PayPal account and aren't in the UK? Sounds tricky, right? Well, it's not. Today I'm here to walk you through creating that UK PayPal account smoothly, and yes, completely legitimately. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be PayPal ready. Let's dive in. First, you'll need a tool called GoLogin. If you haven't heard of it, think of it as a stealth mode for your browser. GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting. Open up Chrome, search GoLogin, and click the first link, or just check the link in the description. Hit the download button, select Windows, and let it install. It's pretty straightforward. And hey, if you're on a Mac, don't worry. I haven't forgotten you. Once installed, open GoLogin. Now, you'll set up an account, email, password, the basics. When it asks for your role, go ahead and pick something that suits you, like CEO or founder. Now, here's where the magic starts. Select how many accounts you plan to manage. Pick 50 for now. It's just a number. And wait until you see the interface that lets us access different locations with ease. Now, in the top right corner, select Add Profile. Then choose a UK proxy. This sets up a UK location for your browsing session. Once that's done, click Run Profile. Open your browser within GoLogin and accept all cookies. I know, all this setup feels like spy work, but bear with me. It's easier than it sounds. Now, search for PayPal in the browser and click on the first link. Select a personal account, sign up with your email, and hit Next. Here's where things get interesting. You'll need a UK phone number. How do we handle that? Add a UK number for verification. You'll get a code to confirm it. Once verified, you'll create your password and set up your security details. Easy so far, right? This is where most people panic. Do I really need a UK number? Relax, it's part of the setup and it works. Time to add your personal details. Name, birthday, and your primary residential address. You'll input your UK postcode and PayPal fills in the rest for you. Agree to their terms, and your account is officially live. But before you start transferring money, there's one last critical step. Now, for that final layer of security, you'll need to link a bank account. PayPal will send a small deposit to verify your identity. Follow the instructions, and you'll be ready to go. And if you're wondering, why not skip this step? Trust me, this is the part that unlocks full access. Just like that, you now have a fully functional UK PayPal account from wherever you are. Easy, right? Now, if you want to go pro with it, check out the GoLogin plans that fit your needs. Thank you for sticking with me through this setup. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you found this guide helpful, give it a big thumbs up. See you in the next one.